1994 Buick Roadmaster station wagon. Last stop. This had the 5.7 liter V8 LT1 from the factory. Really desirable. The headlights are plastic. I don't know if it's original, but had a Caprice 96. These were glass. This car had a heavy life. Pretty bad condition in many ways. The dashes on these cars, the Roadmasters, were much better than the Caprice and the Fleetwood. They rarely crack. Really soft steel. The seat is in very good condition. No rips whatsoever. The rear, pretty roomy. A sunroof. Headliner is in good condition. Somebody parted out the LT1 motor intake and other related components. Thrown back there. Luggage rack on the roof. Factory. Damage all over here. Door panel is destroyed. Driver seat is in pretty good condition. No rips, except a small one here. Otherwise, it's good. The instrument cluster. The stereo and the HVAC controller are gone. These are nicely done. Nice door panels. The fake wood overlay. Roof rack. '94 Buick Roadmaster wagon. Last stop.